It has been the best consulting group I've worked with. I am Greg Procopio. I'm one of the owners of the Procopio Companies out of Middleton, Mass. We are real estate developers and construction managers. We were trying to wrangle the chaos in our office. So we have people in office and we have field teams both on the construction side of our business and the property management side, and they never come to the office. They live in the field. And the amount of chaos that having those separate groups yields is pretty amazing. And we were looking for a system to get everybody into one spot. So before we got on Monday.com and started working with the optimization specialists, our sales pipeline for our construction management company was an absolute mess. We knew what deals we had out there, roughly. We kind of knew where they were at in the process. But until we had the one consolidated system, no one could say for sure where anything was. Now with the Monday CRM, we have that tied to our estimating workflows. When a new project comes in, we know exactly where it is in the pipeline, and we're not duplicating information in the estimating workspace and the CRM. John has mirrored columns over for us. There's information that's put in one spot and it's reflected in multiple places after that. It works really well. So far, we have eliminated some areas where there could be confusion or double work. Really hard to quantify, but when everything we do is run out of Excel sheets and SharePoint folders, it's really easy for two people to be doing the same task accidentally. And Monday specifically was super helpful in wrangling that mess and starting to get us to where we know there's one person doing something. That person's accountable for it. They're responsible for it. And we have visibility in to see it now. We had an employee on our development team move to another company, another firm, and he was early on in the construction phase of a decent sized development project. The development project manager who took over for him was able to go into Monday as part of the first guys leaving and work through the checklist that we had built out and the information. And in a matter of 3 or 4 days, he had his head wrapped around the entire project, when without Monday, that would have been a month or two of looking through folders, trying to figure things out. But because we had a system built, it was days instead of weeks. He could not have done it without having the system. It would have been just putting out one fire after another and not knowing why. And with the system that you guys built for our development team, he just went through the process, built out the whole project with the template, and knew what was going on as soon as he was done with it. He knew where everything was. My overall experience working with the optimization specialists, it has been the best consulting group I've worked with. When I have a problem as we're building something out, John or Christy solve the problem. Usually while we're on the call, it's not I got to go deal with this later on. They completely understand how it works. They'll jump right into the system and solve it almost instantly. It's been fantastic.